The most luxurious cars belong to which factory? We introduce 5 of the most luxurious cars in the world in this video. If you could, tell me which one you would buy in the comments. By far, the Duesenberg SSJ is the oldest on the list with its supercharged 7.3-liter inline-8 engine that produced 400 horsepower. This classic, colorful and special car was produced in 1935 and belongs to the pre-Great Depression era. In 2018, a copy of this unique car that belonged to famous and popular actor Gary Cooper was sold at an auction for $22 million. The design of the Mercedes-Benz W196 is more special and interesting than the other models on this list, because it resembles a rocket to a large extent. This powerful car participated in 2 world competitions and won both. The 2.5-liter inline 8-cylinder engine that produced 290 horsepower was the reason for the success of this Mercedes-Benz in its heyday. This German product was sold at an auction in 2013 for $29.6 million. Its current price is about $32 million or even more. Ferrari is one of those brands whose symbol comes to mind when we think of classic cars. One of the most famous products of this brand was the Ferrari 335S Spider, which was produced in 1957. This is different from the other cars on this list, because unlike them, this Spider is not well known. In 1957, the car's counterpart tire blew out in a race, the driver lost control, and the Ferrari killed 10 spectators, including 5 children, the driver and his companion. Since this product was expensive at the time, only 4 units were made. Ferrari 335S Spider 4.0-liter V12 engine, 390 horsepower. It was entrepreneur and engineer David Brown who bought the Aston Martin company in 1946 and saved it from bankruptcy and the risk of closure. 3 years later, he dreamed of winning Le Mans. After 10 years, his wish came true and the Aston Martin DBR1 was declared the winner of the 1959 race. The car that sold for $22.5 million in 2017 was not a Le Mans winning model. This model was originally the first DBR1 built and another counterpart to David Brown's car. In those years, only 5 units of this Aston Martin were produced. The Ferrari GTO entered the market in 1962 and only 36 units were built. Now it is the wish of every collector to take home a device of this historical and memorable model. The price of this model is higher than the house of Kim Kardashian and Kanye West. In 2018, the GTO, equipped with a 3.0-liter V12 engine that produced 296 horsepower, sold for $48.405 million. The record on the list is held by the country's WeatherTech, which bought a silver GTO for $70 million at a private auction that same year.